Today I'm going to talk about how you can save up more money even after the sudden price hike in cubelelo.com. So first I'm going to go with the number of codes we have for discounts, like maybe 10% on festive sales which are different and I don't remember actually. You can check out whenever uh, festives come out, like Diwali which is coming. So today I'm going to take the universal codes. So I'm just going to check out, and first we are going to check on LoveCube05, which gives us a 5% discount. So that is it. So that gave us around 84 rupees, 85 rupees, which is kind of less overall. Now we can test Welcome 100, which gives you 100 rupees off on your first order. So that's pretty good. That costed down to 15.98. Now to save up even more, you can use creator codes. Now the first question is, creator affiliate codes only give us 50 rupees discount, which is very less, like on orders over 500. So if you use it if I use it on this order, like Guru, for cubing Guru, it will give us 50 rupees, which is really less. So rather, if I just a minute, if I remove one from here and separate the products in different orders, so I am removing GMS and going for Yuhu only. Now if I use Guru, this gives me at 999. Okay, so and if I go ahead and remove Yuhu, just a second. Let's add GMS again. Stickerless not required, and add it to my cart. So there we have it, and checking out. Let's see. Yes. So if I use Guru or maybe Pro 50, which is for procubing, this way we can support these YouTubers and also get a discount of 100 rupees other than Welcome 100, which only gives us. Now there's a catch. You have to separate two orders. So like I said, and like I did, separate Yuhu and MS and got overall 100 rupees discount on both. But these are going to come on different dates, as I presume, because these are different orders from you. So maybe there might be a problem if you order it on the same date. But yeah, this is a good way to save money if you have multiple products in your cart. Like this won't work if you maybe if you are going to buy only one product, like GMS itself, or even like the WRM 2021. Let's go for it once. Yes, so light, stickerless not required. Add to cart and remove GMS. So this is not going to work pretty well with this if you're just going to buy one product. And yeah, you're better off going with Love Cube 05, which will give you 94 rupees, which is pretty great. Also, you can use Welcome 100 if you're ordering for the first time, or even if you create another account and order every once in a while, and you can get easily 100 rupees off. So that's a pretty good trick as well. But the best trick overall is if you use your cube coins. So now I remember I have around 5,000 cube coins. I'm not going to sign in right now, but yes. So when you claim those cube coins, you will get around, maybe if you have 5,000 like me, you will get around 150. So yeah, that's pretty great. And you can earn, I guess, 150 like that. So that will be great. And they will give you a custom discount code for that. So I'm not going to show it right now. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and bear with that noise outside. And that's about it. See you guys next time.